Oh, hey, 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 oh, hey, 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 hear the people shout, football fever breaking out. Every nation waves a flag, dreams are carried on their backs. Lights are shining through the night, crowds are jumping full of life. Every player wants the fame, giving all inside the game. Feel the fire in your soul. Football makes the planet whole. From the cities to the streets, everybody feels the beat. Children singing everywhere, passion floating through the air. Every heartbeat feels alive as the teams begin to rise. Different cultures, different names, still united by the game. Hear the thunder roar, we are stronger than before. Are stronger than before.
Golden trophies in their eyes, every team prepared to rise. Sweaters falling on the grass, history begins to pass. Every tackle, every run shines beneath the burning sun. Voices echo through the night as the stars begin to shine. Feel the energy ignite. World Cup fever burst tonight.
Mexico and Canada, USA together now. Three great nations host the stage, writing football history's page. Millions watching every play, night and morning, every day. Every city feels alive as the world begins to vibe. Hear the people call, football rises over all. Rises over all.
Yeah, young boys dreaming in the rain, hoping one day fame will gain. Girls are singing with the crowd, strong and fearless, standing proud. Football teaches us to fight, to keep chasing every light. Every smile and every tear shows the magic we all share.
Hear the heartbeat strong. Football keeps the world as one. Every striker wants the fame, every captain leads the game. Midfield masters guide the flow, making magic as they go. Every whistle, every call makes emotions rise and fall. Still the spirit never fades, even through the toughest days. One more chance to touch the sky. One more dream before goodbye. Drums are beating through the streets, everybody feels the beat. Every country, every race celebrates in one embrace. Football speaks without a word, still its message can be heard. Every culture, every face finds connection in this place. Let the whole world sing. Football is the beautiful game. Late at night, the lights glow bright. Fans are dancing through the night. Cars are honking through the town. Celebration all around. Music louder than before as the crowds continue more. Every victory, every cheer creates memories through the years. Gives the world a light. Burning strong into the night. Every player gives their all, standing proud, refusing fall. Every crowd begins to sing, voices rising like the wind. Hope is stronger than the fear. Victory is drawing near. Every heartbeat, every sound shakes the magic through the ground. Hear the anthem rise. Touch the stars beyond the skies. Underneath the neon skies, every dream begins to rise. Young and old together now, sharing love without a doubt. Every corner of the earth celebrates the game tonight. From the villages to towns, joy is spreading all around. Feel the movement, feel the pride. World Cup spirit worldwide. Champions born beneath the rain, turning pressure into fame. Every tackle, every save shows the courage of the brave.